Auntie Myrtle! Auntie Myrtle! Who that a call me? Hello? Aunt Olive said me give you this. Listen to me now. Who is that calling me? God have mercy. I may have to take out. May I have to take out me chimney. Excuse me there. I could not come on my yard so early. I may have to take out my chimney. Me not even get to take out my chimney get good. I will not come on my yard and call me in a this Mother's Day. Yeah. Oh, Grandma said to give you this, Auntie Myrtle. Grandma said to take this present for your Mother's Day because you have been a good mother to us all these years. So she giving you this little present. Let me see how I here. Gift certificate? Then I will be doing that. Oh, you must go down to, yes, go to the pharmacy, go get what you want. That's what it means. Gift certificate. Yes, yes. Oh, tell her thanks for me you're here. Tell her thanks. Thank her very much. Tell her thanks. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I am so happy. Yes, yes. It's very nice, very nice. Yes. Yeah, let me put it on up here. So yes, yes, yes. So how are you? How you doing? You alright? Alright. Tell Grandma thanks you're here. And as soon as we finish, I empty me, just go empty the visit. You understand? Yes, me just go empty it. So at the bathroom, me go be there now. Yes, yes. I try to get myself together because thinking then soon come tell me happy Mother's Day. I want to get myself together before they come because me don't want them to see me look so untidy because not to mention if Patrick come and see me looking so untidy, they're going to be very vexed and say, Mommy, look how much clothes we send from foreign come give you and you have on this old shall I go? And drape up and not tan good. So me have to go put myself together properly. Yes, put myself together properly before then come. Because not to mention Pat, she a go come over, come cook one whole heap of food. I mean, I tell yourself me belly can't manage no food because these days the belly puffy, me can't manage no food at all. Sometimes I just feel for the drink like a water and go on my bed. Because I don't know where they pack up in them and nowadays food, but Lord have mercy, they make your belly puffy. Lord, I know me whole days and me them want to put on no weight neither. Because as you see, me can hardly manage because the arthritis, the whole thing kill me. Me can hardly manage. So me no want Pat come here come cook up now whole heap of food, you know. I don't know what happened to some of them you're picking in here, you know. You then feel say food, everything food. Eh? Lord have mercy. But me glad to see them do it. Yeah, tell you so when they come, me glad to see them. It good to grow a picking them good, you know, man. It good to grow them good, yes, man. Because I tell you say when you're hopping at your whole age and them come for look after you very well. Yes, it's good to treat them good, man. Yes. I know hands and work, me no do, you know. Wash people dirty clothes and go farm and all these things. We look after them very well. Yes. Yes. So yeah, me glad me could have able to do it because me I tell you say yes after them father pass off it is very hard for me man very hard but you know me carry on and then pass it worse. Me I tell you say me proud of the picking them me proud of them me I tell you this a Mother's Day, yeah, me can't smile. Me I tell you, me say, not to mention the other one there, when name I get me head all I get the water, you know. Eh? Yes, Mava. Yes, she the one send me go to the spa. But me tell her no, me too old for that. Can't take it spa. I can't take it spa. Me they even like two grown people, but let's think about yeah, send the gas spa. Me they go see the old body. Yeah, no, I can't take it. All right. Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Yes. To all the good, nice, decent mothers, them. Please do like and subscribe. You hear? Yes. It will be appreciated. Yes.